I think I like the vlogs, guys. I gotta get you some more vlogs out there, man. I had a wonderful time at the water just talking crypto. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm thinking I'm gonna do that more often. It's your boy Crypto Millie, guys. We're gonna be talking about the entire market. This is a market update and a few people that are starting to back crypto, specifically Bitcoin, that you wouldn't believe. So if you like these type of videos, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. This was Donald J. Trump in 2019, a cryptic tweet here. He says, I am not a fan of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which are not money and whose value is highly volatile based on thin air. Unregulated crypto assets can facilitate unlawful behavior, including drug trading and other illegal activity. So, guys, I want to know at what point Trump started to per se pivot and put in a reversal like we see from candles, because now him and even Jamie Dimon seem to have warmed up to cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon might become Donald Trump's Secretary of Treasury, commented by Trump in his interview with Bloomberg. Both of them used to be negative on BTC and crypto in the past. Everyone's looking forward to Trump's speech at the Bitcoin conference in Nashville, July 27th. And there's been a lot of news here that Trump could put Bitcoin as a strategic reserve to the US dollar, so a reserve currency. Trump to announce a USA 210,000 Bitcoin strategic reserve. All right, so this is the news, and a lot of people are saying that this is the next leg up. This is it, right? This is going to put us in a position to have that parabolic stage. And I'm happy, man, because so many new people were buying the top, and I don't want to say that was the top, but they were coming in crypto buying the top and like, Millie up 60 down. And it's like, it's finally good to see that the next leg up is on the way. And I'll tell you this, right? Just specifically, seeing when family comes into town, guys, like people still don't know what crypto is. Like you think because we're in this world where we're talking about it every day, we're expressing ourselves about these coins, these Trump coins, dog cat coins, and all this crazy stuff. But you'd be surprised that most of the world, right? Most of the world still don't know what crypto is, don't know how to utilize crypto, don't even know what it's used for. So if you're here watching this video today, are early, guys, are early, right? And I'm telling you this, man, if BTC becomes a reserve to the US dollar, right? We're talking about Bitcoin itself. This thing is going to fly 200, 300,000. I don't know. They say a million, but it's going to be a very, very similar move to when we seen a gold, really, really get accepted. So again, I'm liking what I'm seeing here from the BTC charts. I want you guys to focus on this RSI here. I seen a video from one of my favorite YouTubers, Crypto University, and he was explaining that if the RSI was able to get above 70 on this next leg up, this could be the leg up where we see BTC reach anywhere between 75,000 all the way to 100,000. So this could be crazy, because the last two times we broke 70 on the RSI, we broke 70 here in October. We had a massive pump. We broke 70 here in January. We had a massive pump. And now we're looking to break 70 again. And this could send us super past this resistance that we've been having here at all-time highs. So this is crazy. It couldn't be better timing of this news for Trump to come out and say he's strategically putting a plan together to make BTC a reserve. And we're actually starting to see a lot of narratives heat up in the space as meme coins and AI seem to be back, right? In fact, one of my favorite AI coins here, Neural AI, at one point did like something like a 4x or something crazy overnight, right? It was like hanging around 10 million market cap last time I checked it. And I woke up this morning and checked some of my AI coins, and I seen this huge green candle here. So what it was like a 4x, went from like 10 million to 40 million. I don't know. I haven't been checking a lot of my AI coins. I just kind of like buy them on spot and hold them over time. I'm very, very bullish on the AI narrative. I'm not going to get into what this coin is. I've done plenty of videos, guys, but this is just an example of next leg up, right? Sometimes these narratives here have to cool off, and they award us opportunities to either DCA or find entry points. So a lot of people would say AI was dead, which is crazy, right? You see everything I mean, Elon Musk talks about AI, literally, every day. Elon Musk talks about AI. So I don't know where that narrative came from. Solana ecosystem, again, guys, buying into strength, right? Every day we wake up, guess what happens? There's a degen waiting to use Solana, right? Solana is one of those ecosystems that gets constant use daily across the world, right? You know, the thing about crypto, which makes it so such a beautiful opportunity, is because it's not just an asset specifically for one country. We're talking about a global asset. And this is why you can never put a cap on how high some of these market caps may go, guys. I mean, you just never know, right? Would love to see gaming come around. So again, AI is looking to make a big move, which is crazy if you watch my videos and you're not part of our community token. I know everybody's seen Short Circuit. Johnny Five here. This is our community token. So guys, this is an opportunity really to get into something early, right? Early. We've been here for 6 months, constantly building and upgrading this community ecosystem, right? So this is the time while the floor is strong, right? I talk to the whales all the time in our whales group. Like, this is the time really to find your entry points with our community project. Do not sleep on it. You know what I mean? We're gonna look up one day and you're gonna be like, Millie told me. Millie told me to just give it a shot. So of course, anything could happen. It's crypto. But again, I just wanted to put that out there on you guys' radars, not financial advice. So I am liking what I'm seeing from the total market. Again, there's so many charts up here that are showing us that we are potentially about to put that next leg up. Here's the altcoin dominance chart, which a lot of people are expecting to bounce pretty hard, right? So you don't think when BTC gets put out there, right? Trump gets in, he does this convention, he puts BTC out there as this reserve to the US dollar. What do you think is going to happen to a lot of your favorite altcoins and ecosystems? So this may be the chance that everybody's looking for, and I believe that Q4 and Q1 is going to be very explosive. I don't know it's going to be, I want to say it's going to be Q4. Maybe the Bitcoin dominance, because we got so much ETF inflow, right? It's pushing out, because we do need a dominance for BTC to come down, and it may get extended a little bit to where we say that parabolic stage happens in Q1 2025. But here you can see that we almost got a 99%, this 93% chance of a Fed cut. And I like to use the logarithmic chart here because this gives you an idea of every cycle, guys, how every cycle we touch the bubble lower bands here, and we haven't even got close this cycle. So there's still time left. You may not have been getting in at floor levels. I want to make that very, very clear, right? Me and your time frame might be a little bit different when talking about expectations and exit points. I've said this on my channel before. Once the Bitcoin price hits the bubble lower band, I'll be preparing my exit strategies, right? So just as much as you have initial or entry points, it is also good to have an exit strategy. That way, you get a chance to enjoy those profits. And I think that this is going to be generational, man. It's generational, right? Trump says he doesn't want to let another country take over BTC. And I'm not trying to kind of like, bash Trump inside your heads like that, right? Because I seen the comment in the last video. It's like, oh, this was a great video until you mentioned Trump. I want to make it clear, I don't have a horse in the race, right? I personally want what's best for the market. And to just put that out there, I want what's best for the world, right? So, or the state, should I say, right? So, I'm a just, I'm kind of like a neutral. I'm a neutral person, right? But I do want what's best for the states and I do what's best for the market, right? And this is our opportunity here as crypto holders to really create generational wealth for our families over decades, over time. So, don't sleep on this opportunity, guys. We're starting to see a nice, good move here from crypto in BTC itself. I'm excited to see what Trump is going to say about this whole reserve currency thing. I want to see what he's going to say. And it is kind of crazy that now he has Jamie Dimon on board, right? Jamie Dimon on board. So I'll work to get a couple more videos, maybe a Jasmy update for you guys. Also, check out the sponsors of our channel, which is Waifu here. This is a meme coin on base, right? Pretty solid team and YouTuber behind it. Nice little dip on Waifu as well. So they are sponsoring some of our content, guys. So make sure you give it a look. All right, so that's what I have today as far as the news. Market is looking good. I'm loving what I'm seeing from the market. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. How do you feel about Bitcoin being a reserve currency? I would like to know everybody's opinion. It's your way, Crypto Millie. I'll see you the next one.